300 pesos for 3 basket and hand wash, but he don't give you extra for food.
Wala daw.
Putang
Wala
ina
po
mo ko
sabi.
sa... So the people that you wash clothes for 300 peso, they give you food? Diyos ko, kahit naman dagdagan, wala. As in 300 only, 300 pesos only. But 300 pesos for 3 basket and hand wash, but he don't give you extra for food. Pero po kasi 300 peso for 3 basket and that's with the bed sheet, you know, it's heavy. Kaloka. And even 1 kilo of rice, she won't give you 1 kilo of rice. My God. Kahit lang naman isang sardinas. Grabe naman yung ano na yun. Bata pa.
Mga ano na po siya, mga 25.
She's 25 years old and she's working and she just let you wash her clothes and bed sheets. But she should know that washing clothes is not easy and bed sheets are heavy. Kaloka ka naman, te, kung sino ka man. No? Po yung buhay. Pero maybe one of your child can give you a good life.
Oo, sana nga po.
Wala pong ano. Kasi baka po sa mga anak mo maganda, may maganyan. Ano, kahit po ganyan, take care of your child po. And raise them good. Sana po ano, there's someone who's going to help you.